Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to StunnerShare. So there are few mails which I saw coming in, so I thought to respond based on that. So this is mail from Hitesh, but he's telling that I said breakout candle high should be broken by next candle itself, or in some cases while I was backtesting breakout candle video was broken by after few candles. We should consider it as a buy entry or not. I have even shared some examples. He has shared some examples, TVS Motor Corp and all those. See, okay, this is mainly on the backtesting videos. So what I would recommend you guys is like whenever you are sharing any mail to me, mention what is the concept you are using. You are going to use Inside Camarilla or Golden Pivot Zone, or what is that you are going to use. So based on that, I will be able to help you guys on what is told. Right now I'm just explaining you. So this is the candle, so you're expecting on October 10th, okay, and date, everything has to be clearly mentioned, then only my work will be easy. Otherwise I'll be like having a lot of work to do. Okay, so here if you see, this is the H4 candle, clear. So what you also need to know down in that video is that basically whenever we are going to take a trade on a, this is not an inside camera also, okay, this is something else. So like what is the concept you are using before taking this breakout candle. See, if you are taking breakout candle based only on this particular resistance zone, then you need to wait for the dip to happen, and also when this dip happened, the volumes were very less, and then if you are taking an entry above it is okay. But what is the concept you have used? I thought it is an inside Camarilla, but this is not an inside Camarilla, so please mention that as well. Then REC, okay, these two lines are showing inside Camarilla, but let me see. But here I don't see any inside Camarilla, and also here also I don't see inside Camarilla. Okay, let me see REC Limited. Okay, and the date is on 25th of April, I think so. So let me go to the date. 25th of April, so around here, yes. So this is an inside Camarilla and a weekly pivot. Okay, so first of all you need to understand what is the high and low. Okay, this high is broken, and when the high got broken, what is expected? You have to wait for the breakout candle, and this is a breakout candle, and breakout candle itself has moved 2% and also touched the H5. Okay, that is also you need to be very cautious. When these sort of scenarios are happening, you need to wait for pullback, and that is what has clearly happened. Once after this pullback, if you are taking, still it has gone further upside. So your question is on breakout candle high should be broken by next candle itself, or in some cases while I was backtesting breakout candle high was broken by after few candles, we should consider it as buy. Okay, to me, when the breakout candle size is very big, always prefer for retest. Clear? And also now let me go to this case, Indo Mines, and here also if you see, I'm just explaining you here, this breakout candle, there is a retest. Just the breakout candle length is huge. If you are taking this much depth of candle, then the possibility of your risk is so high. So always wait and then take. Clear? So this is what I have explained. And apart from that, there is one other mail from Divya. So she has mentioned about and also attached the file for Aarti Industries. Okay, and she has used the concept of inside Camarilla. Let us go through those videos once. Okay, so Aarti Industries, right? So this is Aarti Industries. Let's go from the bottom. So 26/12/2023, but let's try to this analysis weekly time frame, weekly Camarilla and 1 hour time frame. Good. So let me check this. So 26/12/2023. Okay, let me go from here itself. 22 of February. Okay, here. Yes, it is an inside Camarilla, and one sec. I have to cut this call. Okay, this is an inside Camarilla, and also if you see, this is the high and this is the low. Clear? And once this candle is broken, then we can expect some good trade. But if you see, the candle did not broke in the first candle itself. So if the candle is going, if the high and low of the previous week is going to get broken at the first day itself, then the possibility of trending is highly possible. Clear? Now it has given a gap down over here, and what was your entry? Breakout below previous week low, entry below 520.0. So honestly speaking, will I be taking this trade? No. Why I will not be taking this trade? Because it is already a gap down, so the possibility of filling the gap is always there. In that scenario, why would we go for a gap down scenario? Okay, it is better to avoid this trade and wait for any other trades if available. Clear? Now let me go to another trade which is on 28th of February. Okay, this is not an inside Camarilla, and this is but you have mentioned which approach when you are back to inside Camarilla. Okay, you said, sir, Camarilla inside and L3 and L4. So why would you confuse with all these in one setup? So that is not good, right? Either go for inside Camarilla or go for L3 and L4 and see what is actually is happening correctly. Because see, what I am trying to say here is like, if you are concentrating on inside Camarilla, concentrate on that inside Camarilla approach and have the journal ready. And if you are concentrating on L3 L4 approach, L3 L4 approach means taking support at L3. If you are concentrating on L3, then have that approach and have it ready. Don't mix up two things and have all those ready, then that will not be a good one. Let me open that sheet which I have. Okay, see, I have explained CPR weekly separately. Okay, and this, forget about this. Okay, and this Camarilla monthly L3 only buy, that I have done separately. Inside Camarilla daily separately, inside Camarilla weekly separately, Camarilla weekly separately, and golden pivot zone weekly separately. Okay, now let us concentrate on inside Camarilla alone on stocks and see what is happening. Okay, so let me have this here. This will be for stocks. Okay, what is the stock name which you are going to prefer? Any stock name, if you want me to do it, let me know. Right now I am going to try for Infosys. Okay, so Infosys, let me try. We'll take one year of data. Okay, we'll go to, and this is on inside Camarilla weekly. Let me go for inside Camarilla weekly. Okay, let me take this. Clear? And inside Camarilla weekly, and I'll go from Jan 1st, because we have 1 year of data, right? So we are going from here. So let's see when all the inside Camarilla has been formed. No inside Camarilla. Let me close L5 also. Let's not have more things and let's not complicate. Okay. If I have missed any inside Camarilla here, please let me know. So this is an inside Camarilla. Okay. So sorry, this is Aarti Industries. And I'm going to Jan 1st. Go to. Clear? Inside Camarilla. Okay, this is an inside Camarilla. So what is expected to happen in inside Camarilla? It is explained in this video clearly. See, during an inside Camarilla relationship, what is expected is that previous range high low if broken and any reversal setup is seen, then go for that trade. Clear? Now same way, this is the high and this is the low where it has got broken at this point. Clear? And after that, if you are taking a trade, whether it has reached your profit or target. If you see over here, the candle's volume or the candle's breadth, okay, this is the low where it has got broken. Clear? So here the total range is 16 points, which is more than 1%. Clear? And as I said earlier also, when this much of huge candle is seen, always wait for some retest to happen. And when that retest is happening, then if the trade goes, then that will be a good scenario. And also I have mentioned clearly in the previous backtesting videos, you can watch it again. If the breakout is happening or breakdown is happening at the opening candle itself, then the movement of trending is highly possible. If that is not happening, then the possibility of trending will be there, but you have to reduce your risk accordingly. Okay, now let us assume that we have taken an entry over here. Okay, so I'll mark this entry 11th of April 2023. Okay, this is 11th of April. Yes, correct. Okay, and time frame is not needed. Why did this come here? Okay, we have to copy this. Okay, and trend, let's not mark it. Okay, candle opened between, okay, candle open between and closed below PWL. Correct. Let me put this over here and let me do it over here, and okay, and entry is below 1399. SL hit, SL loss. Okay, let me go for another trade. Still after that it has gone 16 points is needed. We have got only 10 points. After that it's still gone down, but we are just keeping that stop loss at this point. Clear? Where is that? Okay, we have to wait for another Inside Camarilla. Inside Camarilla. Here is one Inside Camarilla. Clear? So this is a weekly high. Clear? And this is the weekly low. This point. Okay. First candle itself gave a weekly close below, but after that it did not go. And here it gave a breakout. Okay. Now again. Now when you are going to take a trade at this point. Okay. When you are going to take a trade at this point, what will be your SL? See the SL. It is already 37 points SL. Will you take a trade or not? But still I'll consider this as an entry because previous years I have done the same. So 13th of July 2023. So candle opened below and closed above previous week high. Okay, and entry is above 1367. Okay, and stop loss is and the target what he has gone is, which is around 1430. Already done. 1:1 is done. Okay, I'm also focusing on 1:1 only, but if we are checking on how much high it has gone, then we would have easily got some good value. Clear? Now let us go to next Inside Camarilla. So here is one Inside Camarilla. Okay, this is the high and this is the low. Clear? Now let us watch. Candle closed above this. So 1st of August. Okay, candle opened between L3 and L3 and closed above this, and entry is above 1365. And what is the target? 8 points. So 1365. So 1773 it should go. Okay, it has gone till 1665 and 8 points. 1373 it should go. 1369, 1371.75, and then stop loss it. Okay, now SL it. Now let us go to next Inside Camarilla. Still, if you see, actually if you have gone through all the Camarilla videos, what has been told is that whenever if you have a breakout above R4, then the next stop loss should be at H3. Okay, but still we are considering only the breakout candles high and low because we are in a conservative approach. If we are concentrating on H3 approach, then all the time I would say that we will be going for a target only. Okay, but still, okay, let us see this. This is not a Inside Camarilla because I see that L3 is below this. Okay, otherwise this would have been done. Okay, now any other Inside Camarilla? Okay, here is one Inside Camarilla. This is an Inside Camarilla, right? Okay, done. So this is the high and this, where is the low? This is the low. Okay, so we have got a close here. Oh, so 23rd of October. Candle opened between H3 and L3 but closed. Okay, below 1418. But see the move, what has happened. We are just focusing on 1:1, but see how big it has moved. It has moved till 1353, nearly 57 points. It has moved 57 plus 3 or like 60 points. It has moved. Okay, so this much move we can expect. And here is another Inside Camarilla. Okay, and our high is around here and our low is around here. Okay, so here this is the breakout candle. So 6th of November. So above. So here if you see, this is the candle got closed. So 1398 above we have to enter, but these consolidations happened. That is also good scenario. but if you are taking an entry at this point, you have to keep the SL at this point. Okay, so 6th of November you're taking an entry above this point. What is this? 1398, and your stop loss is 8 points, so we have to get 1406, 1407. We have got 1:1 profit. Okay, and one more thing, it has reversed, but 1:1 only we are concentrating. Most of the time 1:1, more than that also we will be able to get. Clear? Now let me remove all these drawings. It's an outside value. Here is one inside value. This is the high, and this is the low. Okay, the first candle got a breakdown but then reversed. Okay, and this value is also nearly 1%. Okay, but still we will consider this. See, when you are calculating for index and when you are calculating for stocks, it is different, because in index we treat differently, and in stocks we have to calculate how much risk we are going to take. Okay, and this is stop loss it. Okay. Let me go for another inside camera. No inside camera till now. Where is it? Okay. So we have not got any inside camera. We have got only 6 trades. Out of 6 trades, 3 stop loss and 3 profits. And whenever all these profits came, we were in highly, like we are just considering 1:1, but it has moved more than that also. But still, we'll consider this. Okay, and this is Infosys for all. Okay, let us go to 2022 also. If we get chart. Okay, we have got in 2022. Let us see this. Okay, let us see any inside camera is there. We are in April, we came to May. Here is one inside camera. Again, see over here, weekly high, weekly low. Okay, good gap up, and that gap up gave a close, but this candle movement is nearly 30 points. So 19 plus 15, it's nearly 24, 34 points here, this gap up. Will you be able to take this trade? You have to decide that. Or if you guys want me to like change the strategy bit for stock specific, do let me know, because 1% move or to 34 points move, so nearly 2% move already happened in that one single candle. Always it is preferable to come for a retest and then go for an entry. Do not go at this risk. Clear? You guys have to decide and tell me whether we have to consider this approach or not. For now, I'll consider this as entry. Okay, 30th of May. Okay, candle gap up and closed above previous week high. Okay, still the stock would have performed. It is not that it will not perform. Still the stock would have performed, but a retest should be there. Okay, above 1519. SL it. So when you are trading on stocks, you need to change your approach. You cannot you cannot use the same approach, then your risk will be so high. That is what I wanted to highlight in this video. And also I want you guys to give me any specific stocks which you want me to analyze. So based on that, I will tell you what can be done and what cannot be done. Clear? Now we are going for here. Clear? And this is on September 26th. Okay, so no, nothing got broken. We have just taken support. Okay, so we are not considering that. No trade. Okay, here is one. December, finally. Okay, this is the previous week high and this is the previous week low. Clear? And we have got a close at this candle. Clear? But what has happened? It has reversed. No entry. It was a gap down. Basically from here, the next day it was a gap down. After that, it closed inside and then it gave a breakdown. So at what point you are going to consider this as your trade? That also you need to figure out. If I want to figure out, then we have to take and consider this entry at here or here. Okay, so you need to decide at what point. Say for example, some might say that this is also a good close, right? can we consider an entry over here? So it is a 5-point risk. Yes, you can consider, and already 5-point risk also given. So let me consider an entry over here. 06/12/2022. Candle opened between and closed below. So below 1612, and we got our 1:1. Okay, so this is done. But again, I'm telling you, be more cautious. How are you going to take a trade? Because honestly speaking, okay, let's forget about this. Okay, this is like 5 points risk, and we have got 5 points profit here itself. But would you have been able to exit the trade? And if it is a gap down, will you be 1 minute, guys? Sorry, my daughter was shouting here. Okay, so will you be able to take a trade at this point or not? So you have to be cautious on that. Okay, because here it is a gap down. So I'm not sure how you guys are going to react during the gap down. This is a back testing video, so I'm telling you our profit, our target, and all those are fine. But at exactly 5 points, will you exit the trade or not? All these you need to think before considering any trade. Okay, we are in the end of December 2022, and we came into February 2023. Let me try to go to 21. Okay, we have, okay, luckily we have 2021 also. We will try to see. See, minimum 10 trades if it is there, then that is good, right? Because, and also one more thing which you need to focus is that we are concentrating only on we are concentrating only on one particular strategy, which is called Inside Camarilla. So if Inside Camarilla in 1 year, if it is giving 6 trades and 3 profit, 3 loss, that is good, I would say. And next, what we need to check is that we need to go for the next approach. Say for example, here Camarilla weekly is there. In Camarilla weekly, how are we considering the entry? Whether bullish scenario or bearish scenario. Okay, all these setups you need to check. Then we will again we'll get some clarity on that. So we'll go slowly. For 2022, 2 trades, 1 is loss, 1 is profit. In 2023, 3 trades, 3 is loss, 3 is in profit. Now you need to check, can I go for 1:2? What is happening? What if I go for 1:3? Or what if I hold till 315 trades? What we can do is like, I will just, okay, I will put it over here, and here I will mention as candle setup. Okay, this I will mention like this. Okay, and here I will just ask remarks. Here what we can do is like, after completing 2021, we will note down what if I hold the trade for 1:2 results. Okay, result for 1:2, and then we will also see results for holding till end of the week. What is happening? We will do both these analysis. We will come to know more theories also. Okay. Now let us complete 2021. Here is 2021. Clear? So this is the weekly high, and this is the weekly low. Okay. Here it has gone to broke. Okay. 27th of January. Okay. Candle opened between and closed below, and entry is below 1295. Okay, and the target is around 5 points, and then 21 points. Sorry, 5 and 11. So 5 and 11 is 16 points. Okay, so we have already got 16 points. Okay, now say for example, we have to hold the trade for 32 points. Okay, now this is profit. 1:1 is profit. Okay, let me remove this column also. Okay, or let's have this for now. Now 32 points. So 32 points is around. Are we getting entry till 1263? Yes, we have got profit. Okay, 1:2. I'll mention it 1:2. Result still holding the trade. Low formed is 1231, which is nearly 60 points. Okay, which is nearly 60 points. So 1:5. We have got 1:5. Clear? Now let us go for next Inside Camarilla. This is one Inside Camarilla. and this is our weekly low and weekly high, and weekly low. Okay, so here we got our breakout. So 30th of March. So candles opened here and then closed here. Okay, now entry is above 1398. Okay, and stop loss is around 23 point stop loss, more than 1%, and our stop loss is hit. Okay, stop loss is hit. We'll mention, okay, 1295 and okay, 1:2 like that, right? So can we mention like that, or we'll mention the values? That is what I'm confused. Okay, let us be like this. Okay, 1:2 also not possible. Our stop loss is hit. Okay, and still we can mention like our stop loss is H3. What will happen? Like that also we can mention. Okay, now let's go to Inside Camarilla. This is previous week high and this is previous week low. Nothing has got broken. Next Inside Camarilla, we are in May 2021. We are in June 2021. We are in July 2021. Finally we have got one. So here is one. Here is one. Nothing got broken. Okay, no problem. So we are now in August. We are now in August, September. Yes, September you have got one. Previous week high and previous week low. Clear? And we have got this broken. 21st of September. Okay, candles closed. Okay, above 1722. Okay, 1722, and the stop loss is 21 points. Okay, 1722 means 21 points is 3. We have to go till 3. Yes, we have got 1:1. Let me see whether we are getting this or not. Okay, and if it is 21 means we have to get 42 points. So 42 points is around 6.4. Are we getting 6.4? Yes, we have got till 6.4 is also done. And what if you are holding the trade till end of the week? So we have got 1763. That is also right. 1:2 we have got. Okay, good. Now another Inside Camarilla. We are in November. Yes, here is one Inside Camarilla. Previous week high. Sorry guys. And previous week low. And we are breaking here. 22nd of November. The candle opened between and closed below previous week low. So below, what is this low? 1751. And 1751 stop loss is around 16 points. So 16 points is 1751 minus 16. So 1735 we have to get. We got 17. Sorry. Yes, we have got 1735 also done. And minus 16. That is 1719. We have got both. Okay, we have got both. And what is that we have got at this point? 1684. Sorry, 1684, right? And what is the stop loss? 1751. 1751 minus 1684. 1684 only, right? 1684, which is nearly 1751 minus 1684. 67 points. So 67 points, it is like 4%. 1:4 we have got. Now we will quickly see this one. Last trades we will leave. We will go to 612. Okay, wait. Are we getting any other trades? Okay, no Inside Camarilla, no Inside Camarilla, no Inside Camarilla, no Inside Camarilla, no Inside Camarilla. Okay, we are at. Okay, we are at 6/12/2022. Six twelve. Here is the 6/12. Okay, so we have got this trade. Okay, and yeah, 1:1 only we have got, nothing more than that. Okay, 1:1 only. So no, not applicable. Not applicable. Okay, now let us see this one. 13th of July. 13th of July. Here. Okay, our entry point is 1367, right? Okay, and our stop loss is okay 37 points. So 1367 plus 37. So 1404 we should have got. Okay, we have easily got. Okay, plus 37. So 1441. 1441 did we get? No. So we have got only 1 is to, this will not be applicable, but this one we have got 1 is to 1.5. Clear? And now let us go to October 23rd. Okay, we have got this trade. So below 1418 is the entry correct? Yes, 1418, and the stop loss is around 8 points. So we have to get 1418, 1410, and then 1402. We have got both, and then the at the end of the day it has won 1378. Okay. Okay. 1418 minus 1378. 40 points, which is nearly 1 is to 3. Okay, both are done. So 1 is to 2, and then 1 is to 3. Done. And then now we are going to see this one, 6th of November. Okay, 6th of November is here. Wait. 6th of November is here. Okay. So we have not get 1 is to 2. Okay, done. So not applicable. Okay guys, so if you see over here, total amount of trades is 12. Okay, in the total amounts of trades at 12, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 trades are profit. 7 trades have given 1 is to 1. That means if you have put 1200 rupees, 700 rupees is your profit. And in that 1, 2, 3, 4 trades has given 1 is to 2. Okay, 4 trades has given 1 is to 2. Say for example, in that 4 trades 1 is to 2 means 800 plus 300, 1100 rupees will be your profit. Okay, and here you have got 1 is to 5. So that means for one trade itself, if you have put 100 rupees, you would have got 500 rupees profit. And here 2, so 500 plus 200, 700. Here 100 rupees loss, so 600 right now. Plus 4, so 1000 rupees profit. Minus 100, 9. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. Say for example, you are putting 100 rupees as your input, your stock, your capital. So here your profit is 500. Here your loss is minus 100. Here your profit is 200. Here your profit is 400. Here minus 100. Here, okay, only profit has been done. So 100. Here minus 100. So here 1 is to 1.5. So that means 150 rupees. So here minus 100. So here 300. So here 100. So here minus 100. So if you are putting, so for 1200 for 12 trades you are putting 100 rupees as capital, so 1200 deployed, and your profit is 1250. Okay, so for the capital 1250 you have put, you have got 1250 as your profit. Clear? So this is how you need to do your analysis. You need to check what is the result happening for 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 5. Clear? Based on that you will be able to understand what has really happened. Like this, we can do furthermore analysis also. We can reduce our SL. We have to think about what will happen at retest. All these has to be planned. Okay. So slowly watch this video and let me know in the comment section whether this looks good or not, or any other feedback if you are having. Please comment it, because it will be helpful for you only. Clear? Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.